Alright guys, so I just did a haul on these. I got them from Temu. One of them came broken. This one here came broken. But nevertheless, we're going to organize. This is a shoe box. So I want to transfer most of the things in these containers here. And my desk is a bit still messy, still a part of the organization process. But anyways, I'm going to put the tapes in here. As you can see, cannot fit in here. So let's see how it works best. So I'm going to take out one of these partitions and I'm going to put the tapes like this. As you can see, this is basically done. I can probably use this for something else, but I don't have to store it like that because it's just wasting space, taking up a lot of space. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fold it like that. So if I want this pattern for something else, I can use it. I'm just going to put it away in one of these drawers until I know what to do with it. I have another tape here. Again, this is done, so this can be thrown away. I have this. This one here is well, this part still sticks. This part does not stick. So I wonder if I should still use it. It can be folded over like this, but it's taking up a lot of space. Alright, I'm just gonna let it stay for the time being until I buy another one. This tape is not sticking, like seriously, it's not sticking. I don't know what kind of tape is this, so I'm gonna throw away that. I have a large bottle with glue, so I can just refill these whenever I want. I have some containers that I used to use for paint. I think I'm gonna throw that away. Tape again. This one here is the tape that you can use to take off those things off your clothes, but it doesn't work as well. It's not as sticky, but I keep it just in case I might need it one day. I have a stem tape here. It's not sticking anymore, or I'm not sure. I don't remember if it should stick or what, and it's breaking off so easy. But I'm gonna keep it just in case I might need the color of it. Now my son did this, wasted my double-sided tape, so only one side is sticking well, but as I said, you can probably fold it like that, and get it to be working again. So just in case I might need it, I still have it. Alright, I was looking for this everywhere. This is an electrical tape, and I passed it so much times in this box because I was looking for it and could not find it. Now I have some glitter glue. I'm gonna put them in here. It's basically done. As you can see, I can just easily take it out. It's basically done. But usually I use everything to the drop, to the T, because it's about $50 in there or $10 in this. So, but I'm gonna let it go for now. Where else can I put it? I don't know where to put this right now. I just got this one along with these containers. As you can see, it's the long glue sticks that I have. I think for the time being, I'm just gonna store it in here, the old ones in here. Use these ones up first, and then when these ones are finished, I use the one in the case. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna store them on the shelves like that. Let me let you see it a bit clearer. This is how it's going to look on the shelf. I'm not going to show you the reveal of the shelves as yet, but that is how it's going to be. Yay! And now I can find things much easier. I need to know where I'm going to store this balloon blower thing though. If you want these things, I will definitely recommend them. Yeah, but I really like it. It's very strong, very durable, but it's just that probably during the shipment process, the one of them got cracked, but nonetheless it's still holding and organizing well, so I would definitely recommend it. So yes guys, that's it for this video, and I will see you. Stay tuned for the other organization videos. I have a lot more videos in store. Just stay tuned for them, and I will see you in the next one.